Doing?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Sort of.
We saw a doggy get raped.
It wasn't being raped, it was very skittish and alone, and it was sad.
Doggy got raped.
It did not get raped.
Doggy got it in the ass.
Doggy got it in the ass.
Oh, you have to do it.
Oh wait, I might have pressed the button. Never mind. I can't press the button.
You can't. Hold on, let me see if you can see it.
Barely. What was the finger thing? I don't know. Alright, and so we're walking around my complex in the dark, as you can see.
Very scary.
So tomorrow we're gonna do it again in the daylight, right?
Yeah. And you have to put on crazier makeup.
No, well, crazy makeup.
Yeah.
And we should dress like this again, because we're in fancy clothes. I'm so shiny. I'm wearing my pretty dress and my shoes. Can you see my shoes?
I'm wearing Vans. High top.
Yeah, mine are better.
You can't even see crack. Can't see.
Okay, so we're gonna head out. Because we hear weird noises.